Do you know that after the well-known Igbo marriage rites, like payment of bride price, palm wine carrying, and Ibu Awuna, are all observed, there's still an after-marriage rite that seals the bond between the two families? In Igbo society, marriage isn't just a union between two individuals. It's a union between two families. In fact, a popular saying among the Igbo people says that in-laws are the third tier of the family, with the first and second tiers being the paternal and maternal families. The rite is known as Orgo Malụbe, which loosely translates to in-laws, come and know my place. Here a son-in-law invites his in-laws to his home, offering food, drinks, and hospitality, officially recognizing them as part of his family. But before anyone eats, a sacred rite must be performed. The wife's parents, both mother and father, must first accept the food through symbolic rituals. The wife's mother is to be given sliced pieces of yam, sliced pieces of kola nut, and palm oil on a small piece of plantain leaf. She is to bring it close to her throat, declaring that from then on, all they consume there will nourish, not harm. She then casts them away to the road outside the son-in-law's compound, completing her part of the rite. The wife's father is to receive a rooster and 4 yam tubers. Like his wife, he is to bring the rooster close to and touch his throat with it. He equally is to declare that no food or water consumed there shall harm, but will rather nourish. The rooster is to be slaughtered when they return home, marking the completion of the rite. This symbolic rite is more than a feast. It's acceptance, a bond, a way to let the living and the ancestors know that both families are now one family.